How to reset the BIOS on an ASUS motherboard. If the screen is black, the system won't boot, or the BIOS has been changed incorrectly. You can perform a physical hardware reset. Shut down the computer and unplug the power cable. Locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard, remove the battery, and wait for about 1 to 5 minutes to discharge the memory. 5 minutes later, reinsert the battery. Look for 2 pins labeled CLRTC on the motherboard. Touch both pins simultaneously with a metal object like a screwdriver for 5 to 10 seconds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Reconnect the power cable, boot up the system.